We're back again. We're opening 1990 Fleer basketball packs. I've got our next 2 packs here. We're down to the last 12 packs out of the wax box. We're starting this one off. We see a Charlotte Hornets emblem up at the top. There's really nobody on the Hornets that we're looking for. Let's hope we get something better in the back. Trent Tucker. Not exciting. Do we have any All-Stars? We do not have any All-Stars as we look there. Still haven't come across a Jordan All-Star in this. Missing quite a few All-Stars. Yeah, I've seen this pack before. There seems to be a lot of duplicate packs. We're running on empty with this one. Mark Price, Cliff Robinson. I see a Ronnie Cycli there. Stacey King. Boy, that was a really rough pack. Not anything to speak of there. Let's hope there's something else in this second one. Craig Hodges. Come on. No All-Star there either as we look at the color of the sides. Oof. Not good. There's Shawn Kemp. So I don't know. I mean, this one, it still might be worth $1. Not much more than that, if anything. Sean Elliott, strong rookie campaign there. Nothing else happening here. League leader in minutes played. There's a Glenn Rice rookie. Steve Kerr, 3-point accuracy leader. Even back then, look at that hair. That's impressive hair. However, oh, there's a Magic. Got a little something going on up at that corner. Maybe it's okay. Oh, something up here too. A little fray maybe. We got a Magic Johnson out of that pack. Still really not worth much, but that's the best we got out of these two. Tune in next time to Bob Opens. Bye.